This next video we're going to do the numeric form to expanded form with decimals. So we have a decimal number and we need to write that in expanded form, which means breaking down each place value. The first one we'll do is number 1. We have 3.53 or 3 and 53 hundredths, which is going to be 3, our whole number, plus 5/10, which is our fraction after the decimal, plus 3 hundredths. Okay, so there's 3 and 53 hundredths. 5/10, 3 hundredths. All right, number 4, we have 96.4 or 96 and 4/10. So we have 9 tens. There's our ones place, there's our tens place. So 9 tens is 90, plus 6 ones is 6, plus our decimal, which is 4/10. Number 6, we have 231 and 924 thousandths. So 231.924. We have 2 hundredths, which is 200, plus 3 tens, which is 30, plus 1 1, which is just 1. Then we have after our decimal, 9 tenths, plus 2 hundredths, plus 4 thousandths. The next one is number 9, which is 4.21, 4 and 21 hundredths. 4 is our only whole number, 4 ones, plus 2 tenths, plus 1 hundredth. Okay, next thing we're going to look at is multiplying 3-digit hundredths by 2-digit whole numbers. Okay, so this is the same as the previous video with the 2-digit tenths, but this is 3 digits hundredths. So we have 2 numbers after our decimal here. We follow the same rules. We start at our ones place, multiply by each number. 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 7 is 7. We're done with the ones. We can zero that out. 5 times 3 is 15. Regroup that 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 1 is 21. Regroup our 2. 5 times 7 is 35. Plus 2 is 37. Add those together. And we have 2 numbers after our decimal. So we need to have 2 numbers after our decimal in our product. So 7.43 times 51 is 378 and 93 hundredths. The next one we're going to do, we'll do 9.84 times 22. Start with our 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Done with our ones. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Regroup our 1. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1 is 19. Add our rows together. And add 2 numbers after the decimal. We have 2 numbers after the decimal, so we have to have 2 numbers after the decimal here. So 216 and 48 hundredths. I'll do one more on this page. We have 7.95 times 30. Okay, we start with our 0. 0 times 5 is 0. 0 and 9 is 0. 0 and 7 is 0. We're done with that. We can zero out the ones place. Now we have 3 tens here, so we're going to multiply our tens by each number. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Regroup the 2. 3 times 7 is 21. plus 2 is 23. We're simply adding up. And we have two numbers after the decimal. So 238 and 50 hundredths. Remember to keep things lined up. If you need to, draw the lines so you don't get confused when you add at the end.